Hello viewers, welcome back for Law with Subathra Mylsamy. Today's video is going to be about the care economy and the policies which are revolving around it in India as well as on a global perspective. So in an era marked by the pursuit of equitable growth, global agendas such as the G20 and India's vision of 2047 have underscored the significance of the care economy, particularly in the context of the COVID-19 recovery plans. This video delves into the policies and the approaches related to the care economy both internationally and within India. Now coming to the India's care economy policies, India's commitment also to fostering a just society is reflected in the policies which has been outlined for the G20 in August 2023. The Union Minister Smriti Irani has emphasized the importance of developing the care economy and also eliminating the gender biases in technology sectors. The policies also advocate for an enhanced investment in quality education, addressing gender norms in education, and also bridging the gender-digital divide. Now coming to the global perspective, in United States, the contributions related to the care economy amount to a staggering of $648 million annually. The Older Americans Act of 1965 supports a wide range of programs and services aiming to enable older Americans to live with dignity and independence in their communities. Europe's approach on the long-term care of the elderly and the disabled is governed by the European Pillar Social Rights Principles. While these principles recognizes the right to receive long-term care, they are mainly implemented through the soft law mechanisms. Whereas in Japan, it has enacted the law on the social welfare of the elderly people to ensure the well-being of senior citizens. This legislation also seeks to maintain their physical as well as their mental health, promoting their overall welfare. Now coming to China, it has the Law of the People's Republic of China on protection of the rights of the elderly people, which also outlines the responsibilities of the family, the children in taking care of their health and the wealth of the elderly. Now in India's legislation such as the Maternity Benefit Act, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, also aim to provide the better support to new mothers and domestic workers. Now, the National Program for the Health Care of the Elderly mainly addresses the health-related issues of the older citizens. India has also passed the Maintenance and the Welfare of the Parents and Senior Citizen Act of 2007 to take care of the wealth and health of the old-aged parents and senior citizens. Looking into the challenges in India's care work sector, despite India's efforts, challenges still persist in the care work sector. Insufficient policy focus, undervaluation of unpaid and underpaid care workers, and the limited access to the rights for the care workers are the issues which require a lot of attention. Additionally, India's spending on the care economy remains below 1% of the GDP. To conclude, forward-thinking initiatives like Ratan Tata's investment in the startup as the Good Fellows, which offer companionship services to senior citizens. Now, these innovations also bridge the gaps in existing policies, promoting intergenerational connections and also reducing loneliness. By prioritizing the investments in care infrastructure, societies can also ensure child development, dignified aging, and also independent living in a post-COVID world. As we strive for just and equitable growth, it's also imperative to recognize that a robust care economy forms the cornerstone of a thriving society. Through comprehensive policies and strategic investments, we can definitely pave the way for a more inclusive and prosperous future for all of us. I hope this video would have been informative for all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.